Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss problems on De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem. Here you can do the simplification of the problem using a De Morgan's theorem. So generally one of the 2 marks question you will get, that is find the complement of the given Boolean expression. Find the complement of given Boolean expression, that is one kind of question. Another one, simplify the given Boolean expression using De Morgan's theorem. Using De Morgan's theorem. There are 2 possible questions. One is find the complement. Find the complement of the given Boolean expression. Given Boolean expression. Another one, instead of find the complement, simplify the given Boolean expression using De Morgan's theorem. If the question it was there, find the complement, then you need to go for De Morgan's theorem. You need to go for De Morgan's theorem. Solve the problems using De Morgan's theorem. We'll go one by one. The first one, A complement of B, C complement plus B complement C. Here, this is a given problem. We need to find only complement. First, we'll solve 4 problems with the only complement. Then in the next session, we'll move for the simplify the given Boolean expression. First, I will find only this one for complement. And for your practice purpose, you can use the same problems for the simplification also. Then, once the question was given, copy down the question once again. A complement B, C complement plus B complement C. This is your first step. That means copy down the same given Boolean expression as it is and put the over bar, completely over bar. Completely over bar. First what we have done? Put the over bar for complete expression. Complete expression. Then where you can split, first you just identify where you can split the given expression. Here dot is there, here plus is there. First we'll simplify the dot. Here the dot is there. This we can split using x into y whole complement. X into y whole complement can be written as x complement plus y complement according to De Morgan's theorem 2. According to De Morgan's theorem 2. I have applied here. Then what I will get? A double dash. That means this gets splitted into 2 parts. This plus gets changed to, this dot gets changed to plus. Hope you understood. This will completely one part. That means B C complement plus B complement C. That means x into y. This is in the form of x into y. This is in the form of x into y. X dash plus y dash. This is your x dash plus this is your y dash. Hope you understood. Then continue your simplification. Again here one more plus is there. Apply your De Morgan's theorem. According to De Morgan's theorem 1, x plus y whole complement can be written as x complement into y complement according to De Morgan's theorem 1. Copy down the expression as it is, x double dash plus b c bar. That means this now it will become x bar into y bar. This plus gets changed to dot. Then what is a y bar? B complement C complement. That means this complete complement gets split into 2 parts. This plus gets changed to dot. Did you got it? Then again no need to do any other. Again here what is there? Dot is there. Again apply x dot y whole bar can be written as x complement plus y complement according to theorem number 2. A double dash plus b plus c single dash into b double bar plus c. Then x double dash can be written as x, hence this we can write it as a plus b bar plus c into b plus c bar. The given expression is a bar into b c bar plus b bar c. Complementation is this one. This is your complement form of the given expression. Complement form of the given expression. Please just notice over here. Easily you can remember. Complement gets removed. This dot gets changed to plus. B was no complement. Now we got B as a complement. Here dot was there. We got a plus. Here complementation is there, that gets removed. Here plus gets changed to dot. Here B has a complement, that gets cancelled. Here dot gets changed to plus. We don't have a C complement, but we got the C complement. This is your finding the complementation for the given Boolean expression using De Morgan's theorem. Please remember, you will not get the word using De Morgan's theorem. You will get the question only find the complement of the given Boolean expression. They will give one expression. Otherwise, they will give the expression, apply the complementation for the given Boolean, for the Boolean expression. Apply the complementation for the Boolean expression. The word complementation means you should use De Morgan's theorem. In the De Morgan's theorem, copy down the as it is the given expression, put the whole bar. For the complete expression, put the whole bar. See, try to split. See, these two are in one part, so that we are going to split first the simplified A. Then we went to the inside the parenthesis. Okay na? Did you got it? See how that plus, here the dot gets changed to plus. This gets splitted into two parts. This is x part, this is y part according to your theorem number 2. This dot gets changed to plus. Here plus was there, that need to be changed in the form of dot. How you will get? X plus y. This is x, this is y complementation. X plus y complementation can be written as x complement into y complement. X complement into y complement. So that you got this one. X double dash, according to your inversion law, we can write this one as x. Hence A double dash gets as A. B, it has only single dash, remains as it is. Plus C double dash was changed to C. B double dash gets changed to plus. C don't have a it has a complement, single complement, that remains as it is. Okay na? Did you got it? Similarly, we did in the NOR and the NAND gate. I'll write that one once again. Please look at over here. A we have given twice, so that we will get A into A whole complement can be written as A complement. B into B whole complement we got, that we got as B complement. A complement into B complement whole complement. This is the given expression. That means A into B whole complement. Here we can apply, this is in the form of x into y complement, can be written as x complement plus y complement. This gets splitted. This is x complement, this is y complement. That has to be changed to plus. That means A double dash plus B double dash according to your x double dash can be written as x. So that we got your AND operation dot gets changed to plus. And your complementations gets removed with the help of De Morgan's theorem. This is one of the application of your De Morgan's theorem. Simplification of your Boolean expression with the De Morgan's, otherwise finding the complementation for the given Boolean expression, or otherwise you are realizing the basic gates using your De Morgan's theorem. This is one case. Another case, that is your NOR gate AA, B, you will get A complement, you will get B complement, that we have given into the circuit. What you will get? A complement plus B complement whole complement, but I need A into B. How I will get A into B? Similarly, apply your theorem. A plus B, x plus y can be written as x complement into y complement, so that x complement into y complement apply over here. So that A double dash into B double dash, x double dash can be removed as written as x, so that A into B. This also we have been proved with the De Morgan's theorem. Here also we are applying the same thing. Here the whole complementation first we are writing for the given Boolean expression. Then we are applying your De Morgan's theorem. Only two theorems. Only two theorems we are using along with one your inversion law. This is your first problem. Did you understood? Hope you understood, I think so. Yes, we'll move for the second one. Apply the complementation for the given Boolean expression. The problem, second one, AB complement plus C complement D. Apply the complementation for the given Boolean expression. Copy down the expression as it is. AB complement plus C complement D whole complement. This is your first step. In the second step, this is compulsory. You need to apply the complete whole bar. Then apply here x plus y whole bar can be written as x complement into y complement, or x bar into y bar. This treated as x bar, this treated as y bar, plus need to change to what? Dot s. A B complement whole complement, that is x bar into y bar. Again apply here the hidden dot is there. Apply here x into y whole bar can be written as x complement plus y complement. Once you have been applied, again should not be applied. Then what you will get? A bar plus B double dash. This plus dot gets changed to plus. Copy down the plus dot as it is. C double dash plus B dash. So according to our x double dash can be written as x A bar plus B dot C plus D bar. This is your complementation for the given Boolean expression. For the given Boolean expression. Copy down the expression. A. See, A we don't have a complement, we got the complement. Your dot was changed to plus. B has a complement, gets removed over here. This plus was changed to dot. Then C doesn't have C has a complement, we have been removed. Dot gets changed to plus. D gets complement. D we don't have a complement, so that we got the complementation for the D. Did you got it? So this is dot. Did you got it? See, it is quite similar to a duality, but it is not a duality, but because in duality variables remains same. Variables remain same. Here variables gets complemented, variables gets removed, uncomplemented variables gets complement. That is your complementation of the given Boolean expression. First apply the over bar, then apply the theorems, both the theorems. Sometimes it may both the theorems, sometimes it may be only single theorem. Here we applied which theorem? Plus theorem, that is theorem number 1. Then here the dot is there, hence we applied the theorem number 2. Then complementation, that is your inversion law, so that you will get the complementation of the given Boolean expression. One paper we got this type of question for 3 marks. See, easily you will get at least minimum 2 marks. Copy down the given expression. Forget about these steps. Just write it as it is. See, A I will get A complement. Plus was changed to, dot was changed to plus. B, I don't have a complement. This plus changed to dot. C has a complement, then I should not get B complement. Please check it. These two are same. Yes. But inside the steps will get 2 marks. The last output you will get for only 1 mark. Without the steps it's very difficult to get the complete marks, and sometimes it may helpful for those who are in the 15 marks or 16 marks to push for the 21. It will supports you. That's all. Not for the complete marks. Suppose if the same thing written by the 68 or 69 or 70 marks student, definitely you will not get a single marks for this question. This is plus for least students, but not for the top students. Shall we move for the next one? The third problem. XY plus Y bar Z plus Z into Z bar. So here find the complementation for the given expression. Copy down the expression as it is first. Apply the whole bar. Apply the whole bar. First we'll remove the plus here. Apply the theorem x plus y whole bar can be written as x complement into y complement, that is according to our De Morgan's theorem number 1. What you will get? Xy whole bar. This plus gets changed to dot. Y has a complement, let it be as it is. One more complement. Z into Z bar whole bar. See, this we have already been removed, hence we should not use for the further. Here the dot is there, here the dot is there, here the dot is there. Apply now for these 3 terms. Which theorem? Your AND theorem, that is x dot y whole complement can be written as x complement plus y complement according to theorem number 2. What you will get over here? X complement plus y complement. Dot will be as it is. Y complement, earlier it was there. Now we will get one more complement. This dot gets changed to plus Z complement. This will be as it is. Z complement plus Z double dash. Now x double dash can be written as x. So here we don't have any x double dash. X plus y as it is. Dot. Here we have y complement, y double dash can be written as y plus z complement. Dot will be as it is. Z dash plus z has a double dash, so you'll get a single dash. This is your complementation. Just we are finding only the complementation, not for the simplification. We are not finding any simplification. See, if you want to apply the simplification, first find the complementation, then apply the simplification. From here onwards, we are applying the simplification. Just we are doing now only complementation. The next problem will move for the simplification. First 4 problems will do only complementation, then we'll move for the simplification. Copy down the expression as it is, put the over bar. Put the over bar, that is the first step. You have to do it. Then plus terms. According to that plus, your theorem number 1, x plus y whole complement can be written as x complement into y complement. This plus gets changed to what? Here we have got as a dot. Then again apply for the terms. X into y whole complement can be written as x complement plus y complement according to theorem number 2. According to theorem number 2, we can split this one as x complement plus y complement dot. Why? How we got 2 complements? Earlier it was 1 complement. Now we splitted the whole bar. So we got y double dash. Earlier z we don't have a complement. Now we got a complementation. Here earlier z was not having a complement. Here it has a complement. Hence we got the double complement. Remove that with the help of inversion law. X double dash can be written as x, so that we'll get this particular expression. So by seeing this, without seeing this, I'll write the given expression. I don't have a complement. I don't have a complement. I have a dot means then it is your plus. I have a y complement into, I don't have a complement for the z. This plus was changed, the dot was changed to plus. Then z don't have a complement, plus changed to dot. Please check, is this the given expression? Yes. This is a complement form of this and this is a complement form of this. Opposite also you can try. Did you got the same expression? Yes. This is your complementation of your third problem. We'll move for the last problem for the today's session. Problem number 4. X plus x complement y plus x complement plus into z complement. Find the complementation of the given Boolean expression. For the given Boolean expression, so copy down the given expression first as it is. X plus x complement y plus x complement into z complement whole complement. Whole complement. This is your given problem. We are applying with the De Morgan's theorem. We have applied the complementation. Here plus is there. So which theorem? Yes. X plus y whole bar can be written as x complement into y complement. This is your theorem number 1. X complement plus was changed to dot. X has a complement y whole bar dot x dash z dash whole dash. Again here it is a single term as it is. No need to apply any theorem over here. Here the dot is there. Here the dot is there. X into y whole bar can be written as x complement plus y complement according to theorem number 2. X complement dot will be as it is. X double dash plus y dash dot x double dash plus z double dash. According to your x double dash can be written as x complement into x. This gets changed to x plus y complement into x plus z. X double dash can be written as x. Z double dash can be written as Z. This is your complement form of the given Boolean expression. For the given Boolean expression. So these are the problems we have explained for only complementation. In the next class we'll discuss the how to simplify the given Boolean expression using your De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem. So try to solve by taking this with the given expression. I'll copy down here the same expression. You try for these questions with the opposite form. Copy down the given expression x complement into x plus y complement into x plus z. X plus z. We are solving the complement with the given expression. We'll do it this one. Apply here. First copy down the expression. Copy down the expression. Put the over bar. Put the over bar. Here dot is there. Here dot is there. First remove the dot. Dot gets changed to what? Plus double dash x plus y dash whole dash x plus z whole dash whole bar. So apply here now for the plus x double dash plus x complement into y double dash plus x complement into z complement. What you will get? X double dash can be written as x plus x complement into y plus x complement into z complement. Please notice this. These two are same. Yes. Like that you just practice for the previous three problems. Whatever I have been given, you just copy down the complemented form what you got and try to derive with the given expression by applying your complementation. So that another three problems you will get practiced. Okay students, we'll stop here. We'll continue in the next class. Find the, simplify the given Boolean expression or reduce the given Boolean expression using De Morgan's theorem. Using De Morgan's theorem, first we need to find the complement, then only we should move for the simplification of your Boolean expression using De Morgan's theorem. That will continue in the next class. Thank you students.